In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset Windows 11 PC using CMD or a command prompt. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, please proceed here with the button search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until you'll get a best match, which is the command prompt system. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side and wait until you can see an option called Run as Administrator, which is next to Open. So we just have to wait until it will be showing up here before we continue. Once it's here, click on it and if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, just click on yes so that you can continue or give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. So first of all, you need to navigate at the description box below. So before you proceed, navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a command text there. All you need to do is you need to copy and paste it here. So you can paste it here by making a right click here, go with edit and click on the paste. So the command text that I'm talking about is system reset space hyphen factory reset. Then click on the enter key here. And in that way, you'd be able to see this blue window where it up you to choose two options. So the first option is to keep your files. So this removes apps and data but keeps your personal files. And the second one is removed everything. So this remove all of your personal files, including apps and settings. So if you would like to keep your files, click on this one and it will get things ready for you. This won't take long. Okay, all you need to do is you need to wait until this process would be done. Okay, make sure that you have an amount of space to keep your files. Okay, however, it will remove the apps and the settings, but it will keep the files that you have. So this is very that way you'd be able to reset your computer and might as well keep your files that are very important to you. Okay. So on the contrary, if you would like to remove everything, just click on it and it will get things ready for you as well. All you need to do is you need to wait until this procedure would be finished. And once done, just follow the command there, click on next and click on yes. And if it will ask you to restart your computer, restarted it, and in that way you'll be able to successfully reset your PC or laptop. Okay. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.